The Tronxy 400 series 3D printer is the perfect solution for anyone looking to take their 3D printing capabilities to the next level. With a large build size of 400mm by 400mm, you'll be able to print larger and more detailed objects than ever before. The 24 volts power supply ensures that your prints will be accurate and precise, while the auto-leveling feature eliminates the need for manual adjustments. The Tronxy 400 series is a DIY 3D machine kit that is easy to assemble and use. The user-friendly design makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced users alike. The machine's high precision and large build volume allows for the creation of large objects with intricate details. The printer is equipped with a filament runout sensor that will automatically pause the print when the filament runs out and resume printing when new filament is loaded, ensuring that your prints are not interrupted. The printer also has a built-in power failure detection system which will pause the print and save the progress to resume printing once power is restored. The large build volume of the Tronxy 400 series allows for the creation of large objects such as architectural models, large-scale figurines, and even small furniture items. The printer's precision and accuracy also make it perfect for printing functional parts such as gears, pulleys, and other mechanical components. The Tronxy 400 series also offers a variety of connectivity options, including USB, SD card, and even wireless connectivity. The wireless connectivity allows you to print remotely, giving you the freedom to work on other projects while your prints are in progress. The Tronxy 400 series comes with a user-friendly software that is easy to navigate and understand. The software is compatible with a wide range of file types, including STL, OBJ, and G-code, making it easy to import and print any 3D model. Overall, the Tronxy 400 series 3D printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their 3D printing capabilities to the next level. With its large build volume, precision and accuracy, and user-friendly design, it's the perfect tool for both beginners and experienced users. With its connectivity options, you can print from anywhere, making it easy to take your 3D printing projects to the next level.